name is Akin and welcome to my channel. In this part of my video, I'll be discussing about search marketing. Search marketing is marketing on search engines. After watching this video, you should be able to 1. Make better decisions in marketing, and 2. Write or talk like a pro. Now that we know search marketing is about marketing on search engines. Now let's talk about types of search marketing. We have the organic search marketing and we have the paid search marketing. The organic search marketing can be achieved using a technique called search engine optimization, popularly known as SEO. While the paid search marketing can be achieved using Google Ads or Google AdWords. Now, let's quickly take a look at the difference using Google Search Engine as a case study. Now, I've searched for hosting companies. Here is the result. As you can see, the word ad. This is the paid search and this is the organic. Let's scroll down. And this is the organic. Now, for the paid, you will need to set up a Google Ads or Google AdWords account, and then you will pay, or advertisers will pay when their ads are being clicked on the search results. For the organic, you will need a lot of hard work to be done regarding SEO, which means search engine optimization, which means optimizing your website in order for the website to be accessible and then be prominently shown by search engines. Paid, you need to pay, that's the difference. Organic is free. All you need is to invest, on hard work, while for paid, you just need to pay, and then when your marketing budget is exhausted, then your website won't show any longer on the top results. Now, let me use one of the websites that I worked for as a case study of achieving a good SEO. I worked on my father's company website for some time, and here is what I was able to achieve. The name of the company is IAEA Data Recovery, and it does data recovery services. So let's search for data recovery in Nigeria. Let's see the result we get. Here you can see this for Google Business, and here is the real search results. You can see showing up on first on Google. You can see others, the other companies offering the same services. Now, in one of my next videos, I will be discussing how to achieve both the paid and how to achieve the organic using SEO. I'll be discussing about that. So if you want to get more information about this, please subscribe to my channel so that you can get notified when I upload other videos. Thank you for watching my video.